What are you hollering?
Mama, keep quiet. Keep quiet. I have respect for elderly people, but don't fuck up.
What is keep quiet?
Keep quiet, madam.
Hey guys, you're on to Symbol Gist. Don't forget to subscribe and on the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram at Symbol on the mic. You can comment your opinion on what you feel about this video.
Hello guys, you're welcome again. And yes, of course, because of the issue going on, people are very scared. So this guy in this bus he coughed, and I think he also sneezed. Now it's really caused a lot of chaos. I'd love you guys to check out the video.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet, my friend. Who are you?
If I sneeze, don't your business.
Why should you rush?
You are mad. You are mad.
When you're in a
This one now.
Don't do it.
No, just watch it. Hello?
Please, it's enough.
This sneeze,
Who are you?
Please, it's enough. Let us sneeze in peace.
I mean, sneeze, they say how they want to arrest me. For what?
Who say you want to arrest me?
For junction, no. For control. Say me, they sneeze. Why me no use hanky? I mean, no get hanky for here.
Thank you guys for watching that video. Now comment your opinion. What do you feel? What are you going to do if you're in that particular bus that this thing is happening right now, and with everything you've been hearing? Just let me get your comments on the comment section. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button on the notification bell, and of course, yes, comment your opinion. What do you feel about that? Thank you guys for staying by.